Hi there and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. I am Peter Vox, and if you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all of the videos. And if we could help you or someone that you know with their singing, we would really be honored to do that. So check out the links below if you need more information. And let's get stuck into the next question. This was actually an email inquiry that we received, and it is, does Vox Singing Academy cater for beginners because your website looks like it is for professionals? Absolutely, Vox Singing Academy caters for beginners. We actually specialize in taking on beginners, and we have a price point, our entry level singing lessons start at $35, and they are specifically catered for the beginner and hobby singer that just wants to maybe dip their toe into some singing lessons and sort of see how they go and whether they enjoy it. But we can guarantee that you will enjoy it, and you will feel the results in just 3 weeks if you follow the singing teacher's instructions. The singing teacher will be assessing you on the first lesson, finding out what genre you'd like to sing, what you'd like to achieve, or if you have any goals with your singing. They will get you to sing on that first lesson. They'll give you their professional opinion about your voice, and they will start to customize a scales workout. Now again, with anything that you want to improve on, you're only going to get out of it what you put in, so the more that you practice, the better that you will be. Though the singing teacher will record some skills and scales for you to practice at home. Scales are ma. This will be recorded on piano for you so that you can practice that at home. They'll also guide you onto keys of songs or genres that will best suit your vocal range. They'll also go over breathing with you as well too. We do have regular student concerts that we hold every 6 or so weeks, and we'll also go over stage presentation, microphone technique, and crowd interaction to prepare you for those if you're interested in doing them. Hope that answers the question, but yes, we do take on beginners, hobby singers, and everyone up to professional singers. As you can see with the professional singers that have got recording contracts here in the background on the boards, we take on every singer that has a desire to have fun and learn and enjoy their voice. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll get to as many of them as I can. Thank you very much. Be good to each other. Much love. Bye for now.